Hi there, welcome to Bitesize Piano. Yeah. The car's coming up. So many of you okay, let's see how it looks. Okay.
You're good?
Yeah. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ready? 1, 2.
2, 3, 4. And the interesting effect it has, just by really
Fucking hell. Go back, take 2. I hope this is going to be steady enough.
Oh god. So this is something that I've been working on for the past. This is something I've been working on. Okay, that's. I also have a course, the Bitesize Piano course, so I've left a link that I also have a course, so I'm going to take you to this piano. I'm going to show you how to turn Swan Lake into something more happy. And I hope you've enjoyed doing the rainbow jumps and I hope you've enjoyed doing the rainbow and I hope you've enjoyed doing the rainbow jumps. Cool. Aeroplane. Okay, did that look awful? So you are encouraged to pause the videos so you can focus on practicing a certain passage. Reese. So we hear chromaticism a lot in blues. Great, now I'm just going to sit and meow at the door. So we're going to go to the piano and I'm going to make... And the first one is... What is the first one? So the first one is Maybe I'm Amazed by Paul McCartney. Wow. Anything else? No, that was it. Was that? Yeah, it was recording, okay. So that's the end of this video. If you would like to leave a request, leave them in the comments section below of this video. I've also left some videos here that I think you might like, so go and check those out as well. I also have a course. Visit bitesizepianocourse.co.uk and you can enroll and start learning how to read music. I'll see you in the next video.